Hey there, LinkedIn enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your professional networking smoother. Today, we're tackling something that might have happened to you, accidentally blocking a contact and needing to unblock them. With LinkedIn's interface evolving, especially as we head into 2025, we'll walk you through the updated process step by step. This is super helpful if you're looking to reconnect with someone for business opportunities or just to clear up a misunderstanding. So, let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account on a desktop or the mobile app. It's easiest on a computer for this. Once you're in, head over to the top right corner and click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is your go-to spot for managing your account details. Next, in the Settings and Privacy page, navigate to the Visibility section on the left-hand side. Look for the option that says Blocking. It's usually under the Visibility of your Profile and Network tab. Click on that, and you'll see a list of people you've blocked. Now, find the person you want to unblock. It might take a second if your list is long, but LinkedIn makes it straightforward. Once you've spotted their name, simply click on the Unblock button next to it. LinkedIn will probably ask you to confirm this action, just to make sure you really want to proceed. Hit Confirm, and voila! That person is unblocked. They might not be able to see your updates right away, but give it a minute or two. A quick tip. Before you unblock someone, think about why you blocked them in the first place. If it was due to harassment, consider reaching out to LinkedIn support instead. Also, remember that unblocking doesn't automatically send a connection request. You'll have to do that separately if you want to reconnect. And there you have it. Unblocking on LinkedIn in 2025 is as simple as that. If this tutorial helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more pro tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Stay connected and keep networking smartly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.